think it's a raid the fridge kind of lunch today. So let's see what I can make. I think we have enough. Unfortunately, my burner broke, so we're at the big stove today. Forgot my words.
27 days, 1 million ways to cope without you. I need no red breast fever, a love-struck girl, I'd tease her, thought I'd never.
Now, if you're not hitting your cayenne like this,
quite the job you've done on me,
your food's not gonna be good. I'm just telling you.
in my mind, I'm working overtime to have you in my
I may have made a little too much pasta for my pot. Saying I'm excited to eat this is an understatement. Phenomenal. I gotta go sit down and eat this. Bye.